Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your sensitivity settings on the Medieval Dynasty game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Medieval Dynasty game on your device, and once you open it up, you may continue to play from your previous save, or you may start a new game altogether. Now, while you are playing your game, if you wish to change the sensitivity settings of your controls, then simply tap on the escape button within your keyboard. From here, click on Settings and then click on Controls. This will now show you the sensitivity settings. You can swipe the slider to the right in order to increase the sensitivity and swipe it to the left to decrease it. You may change the sensitivity for both your horizontal as well as vertical axes. You also have various other options that you can choose and modify. And after you have chosen your desired sensitivity settings, click on Accept Changes at the bottom section, and now your sensitivity settings have been applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your sensitivity settings on the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.